Oil India, BEML, Jindal Steel, Godrej Agrovet among stocks in focus next week. Here's why. State-run defense major BEML Ltd has entered into a tripartite Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, with Bharat Forge Limited and Data Patterns, India, Limited. Here are a few stocks that would be in focus this week. 1. Corporate actions, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, Shilpa Medicare, Poshak, Sumit Industries, G, and Star Housing Finance are among stocks which would turn ex-dates for corporate actions next week, BSE data showed. 2. Oil India. State-run Oil India has reported the discovery of natural gas in its second exploratory well, Vijaypuram 2, drilled in the offshore Andaman block in OSHP 2018-1. This marks the first time hydrocarbons have been found during the ongoing exploration campaign in the Andaman shallow offshore block. 3. BEML. State-run defense major BEML Ltd has entered into a tripartite Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, with Bharat Forge Limited and Data Patterns, India, Limited. The agreement, signed on 26 September 2025, is to jointly support the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft AMCA program. 4. Jindal Steel. The company has commissioned one of the country's largest blast furnaces at its Angul plant, boosting hot metal capacity to 9 MTPA from 4 MTPA. The move takes the Odisha facility a step closer to reaching its planned total capacity of 12 MTPA. 5. Godrej Agrovet. Godrej Agrovet has entered into a non-binding Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, with the Ministry of Food Processing Industries to invest an estimated 960 crore rupees. 6. VIP Industries. Promoters of the company on Thursday offloaded a 6.2% stake in VIP Industries through a block deal, fetching about 343 crore rupees. 7. Alkem Laboratories. Alkem Laboratories informed stock exchanges that it entered into a business transfer agreement to move its trade generics business to a wholly-owned subsidiary, Alkem Wellness Limited. 8. Azad Engineering. Hyderabad-based Azad Engineering has secured a new 5-year contract worth $73.47 million from Japan's Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, MHI. 9. Muthoot Microfin. Muthoot Microfin plans to raise funds through the issuance of non-convertible debentures, NCDs, on a private placement basis. In a stock exchange filing, the company announced that its debenture issue and allotment committee will hold a meeting on Friday, 3 October 2025. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.